Hello and welcome to the Banter Sports. I thought we can do a video after the first innings today. Probably in the second innings, our bowlers do have a chance of bailing us out yet another time on a big occasion. But थोड़ा तो banter बनता है after the shambolic performance by the top order. People have been criticizing Kohli and Rohit, but you can continue to do that all you want. Truth is that when either of these two do not hold and play the anchor role in the innings, there's literally no other batsman in the entire batting lineup to take that responsibility and bat through the innings. So it just goes without saying how they are important to their team. I think that as a matches में promoting Kohli to bat at the top makes lesser sense. If you are playing someone like a Jaiswal, then still Rohit can play an anchor and maybe Jaiswal can accelerate, but वो भी नहीं कर रहा है. And just going with your two top frontline batsmen right at the top where conditions are tricky is not the wisest decision maybe. But ठीक है, that is a decision that the Indian team has taken, and probably it looks like they'll stand by their decision throughout the tournament. And good so, because obviously players like Kohli and Rohit will step up in the important matches. They didn't today, but they will. Rohit stepped up in the first match also, so there's little doubt in that. But let's come to the other batsmen. Yeah, tell me one reason why Sky is there in the lineup of every analyst out there. मैंने तो कोई भी किसी का भी prediction ऐसे नहीं देखा जहाँ पे Sky was not there in the playing 11, and I understand. He is the number one T20 batsman, T20 player rankings maybe. I understand all of that, but this is what happens when you select players on the basis of just stats and numbers and not on the basis of how they perform in clutch matches or important matches. This is what happens. This is also what happens when you judge players and deny them opportunities based on their based on the chances that they got on the basis of just an IPL. So Rinku is watching this match from the stands, and obviously no disrespect to Dubey, because this is just one match and he needs more game time also to prove himself. But then again, this goes on to show that Rinku ने ऐसे बहुत मैचेस में लास्ट एक साल में इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में इंडिया के लिए खेला, एंड नाउ दैट his contribution was required at the highest stage, he didn't get that chance to be a part of this squad, and that hurts. This entire philosophy of the Indian cricket team over the last few years of just backing star players and not giving chances to players who deserve it makes very little sense. And नहीं जीत पाएंगे हम लोग ऐसे तो टूर्नामेंट्स. हाँ, रिचेस्ट बोर्ड जरूर बन जाएंगे, रिचेस्ट बोर्ड बन जाएंगे, will always be the talking point, will always be the center of all the attention that is going on, but ऐसे हम लोग कभी ट्रॉफी नहीं जीत पाएंगे. दैट इज द ट्रूथ. जड्डू को हम लोग अभी भी खिला रहे हैं, एंड वी ऑल्सो डोंट नो हाउ टू यूटिलाइज अ जड्डू. अगर जड्डू को तुम खिला रहे हो, यू आरंट इवन बोलिंग हिम, you aren't trying to promote him up the order when wickets are tumbling. एंकर रोल के लिए भी you are trusting अक्षर better or more to do that role, which in all honesty is, Akshar is a better batsman than Jaddu currently, and in T20 white ball cricket, तो ही इज गेटिंग दैट चांस. तो तुम अगर जड्डू को नंबर हार्दिक के बाद ले आ रहे हो इन द 16th or 17th ओवर, then what is his contribution? And you can't even blame him for this matter na. You are actually choking any means by which he can contribute to the game. So Jaddu is totally out of the game. Sky has hardly performed in any big match internationally. Dubey is very, very young and coming into the international side in such a short time, playing in unknown conditions in the USA, which is unknown for everybody. But then for someone to make his debut and then do this is even tougher. So a lot of things which happened wrong today. The only positive was maybe seeing Rishabh Pant going, not caring about the occasion or anything. That is the difference between, I'll say, a Sky and a Pant, because Pant plays these लप्पेज irrespective of the match. मतलब वो सेमीफाइनल हो, फाइनल हो, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान हो, आईपीएल फाइनल हो, आईपीएल की लीग मैचेस हो, वैसे ही खेलेगा. स्काई का वैसा नहीं है. ही विल डू दैट इन द आईपीएल फाइनल, सब कुछ में करेगा. इंटरनेशनली ऑल्सो ही विल डू इट, बट मतलब व्हेन द टीम इज अंडर प्रेशर एंड इट्स अ वेरी हाई इंटेंसिटी मैच internationally, then he doesn't do that. And this is also coming from a KKR fan who has seen Sky grow through the ranks. Okay, so this is not anything against Sky, but just the fact that we cannot, especially if we are talking about 3 formats, we cannot give players a certain position or a fixed position in the squad just because they have a reputation or they do that consistently in bilaterals. So वैसे नहीं होता. Anyways, over to the bowlers now. Let's see what they do.